So far, we've talked about storage, the permanent, expensive memory of the blockchain, and memory, the cheap, temporary workspace that disappears when a function ends. Now, it's time for the final data location, Calldata. Think of Calldata like a blueprint. You can look at the blueprint, you can read it, you can use it to build the house, but you cannot grab a pen and change it. Calldata is read-only. When you pass data into a smart contract function, like a long string, an address list, or user input, the data arrives as Calldata by default. At that moment, the EVM gives you a choice. Option 1. Memory. The EVM copies the data into temporary memory, so you're free to modify it. But copying data costs gas. Option 2. Calldata. No copying, no duplication. Just a direct reference to the original input data. And that difference matters a lot. Let's look at a simple example. If you write a function like this, function read name, string memory underscore name, the EVM copies the entire string into memory, even if you never change it. But if you write it like this, function read name open parenthesis string calldata underscore name close parenthesis, there is no copy. The function simply reads the input exactly as it was provided. On small inputs, the savings are minor, but on large strings, arrays, or complex transactions, this optimization can save a significant amount of gas. That's why Calldata is the cheapest way to handle input data. But there's a trade-off. Calldata is immutable. You cannot modify it. You cannot resize it. You can only read from it, and that's intentional. So the rule is simple and powerful. If you don't need to modify an input variable, always use Calldata. It's faster, it's cheaper, and it prevents accidental state changes. And now, the full picture comes together. Storage is for long-term, permanent data. Memory is for short-term, temporary work. Calldata is for read-only input. Master these 3 data locations, and you're no longer guessing how Solidity works. You're writing smart contracts that are cheaper, safer, and built like a pro.